Okay. This is going on YouTube. Found a baby bird. Bryce Renacha and me, Kaylee Harris, has found a baby bird that was right in this direct spot on the playground. They can barely see you, so it doesn't matter if you face.
David Peterson. And David Peterson.
Now he's giving me the eye. See what he does with this. Nothing. Wow, you okay?
It doesn't count. What? Take this thing of us playing baseball.
No, that's not on YouTube. No, I can't get your face. Ah!
Show us playing baseball. Now they're playing baseball. There's no out. 2 strikes.
Bryce, I don't want to put your face on YouTube. No, Bryce, my mom won't allow that. His name is Kevin. He is a dove bird. Those 2 knuckleheads are playing baseball now.
Where's the bat? I just got a home run. Look, I'm gonna
I think I left it at my house. Boys, I have 2 minutes.
What?
We got 2 minutes. Say hello, Landon. Look how cute the baby is. He is not naked. He's wearing a diaper. He wants to. Who likes swimming?
I know.
Who likes ice cream?
I know.
Who loves Justin Bieber?
I know.
Who likes baseball?
I know.
Who likes birds?
I know.
Who likes Bryce?
I know.
Who loves Arby's?
I know.
Who loves Chick-fil-A?
I got me. Keely, watch this. I want to hit a grand slam. Yeah. Bryce gun.
Shh! Don't say your name.
Keely, watch. Keely, show it.
I'm wondering. Oh, fail.
I'm gonna hit a grand slam because I'm better than this kid.
This is going on YouTube.
I'm better than this kid pitching, so I'm gonna crush him.
Oh my God. Bryce, not too close.
Keely, they're closing.
Bryce! It's gonna hit the baby bird. Oh my God! Are you okay? Kiss the camera.
Keely.
Bryce, there's a bird up there!
Keely, it's Mom, that's George.
Come on! Get away!
Hey!
Get out of here! Stay over here. And that's all for now. Baby bird watch. Bye, Kay.